And we're back. So if we're here, that means you made it through the 16th notes. Sweet. So let's review something real quick. All right, how do we count quarter notes? That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how do we count eighth notes? That's right. 1 take, 2 take, 3 take, 4 take. Now, what happens if we try to fit 4 notes into a beat? That's right, 16th notes. 1 t teta, 2 t teta, 3 t teta, 4 t teta. But before we do it, let's run it back. There's another way to count 8th notes and 16th notes, right? Right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And what about the 16th notes? 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. You're absolutely right. It's always good to be able to know both so you can communicate with other people who use the E and a system and those who use the T teta system. It literally means the same thing. Not one thing is better than the other, although I do prefer the E and a over the T teta, but I'm also not a wind player, so it is what it is. Shout out Pepper for the jersey. Now, let's let our hair down and talk about some triplets. Now, the goal of triplets is to fit 3 notes into one beat. There's a couple different ways to count these, just like there are a couple different ways to count 8th notes and 16th notes. The most universally I feel like it's taught is the lolly system. 1 lolly, 2 lolly, 3 lolly, 4 lolly. Works perfectly. I worked with a man named Jeremy Gomez who used the triplet system. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. And as weird as I thought that was, only because I've only used the lolly system, it makes sense and it's a lot easier for me to articulate and play. So, whichever one you prefer, you're probably gonna be taught the lolly. 1 lolly, 2 lolly, 3 lolly, 4 lolly. But you're not wrong if you say 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Shout out to Jeremy Gomez. You the man. Now, let's run it back and I want you to count those triplets with me. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 lolly, 2 lolly, 3 lolly, 4 lolly, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Good job. Great. So now we're gonna play reed check, and wherever you see a quarter note, we're going to play a triplet. But Mr. Capers, we can't follow the sticking if we do it that way. You know what, Timmy? You're absolutely right. Because when you play a triplet, you only have 3 notes, which immediately puts everything off the left hand. So every other measure would start on the left hand. Does that make sense? If it doesn't, it will by the time you're done with this exercise. But remember, count all the way through it. Even if you make a mistake, catch back up. All right, let's get ready to play.